Okay, 36. Okay, alternate games. Okay, in this question, if we see this word alternately, then inevitably the question is going to lead, okay, to a GP, an infinite GP series. Okay, now then, Sue, we've thrown a dice here, Sue and Tim, and Sue throws first, and the winner is the first to obtain a 6. So on a dice, obviously, probably throwing a 6 is 1 out of 6, and the probability of not throwing a 6 is 5 out of 6. So part A, probably Sue wins the first throw. There's the probability Sue wins on the first throw that she throws, and that's 1 out of 6. Probably she throws a 6. And then for Sue to win on a second throw, what has to happen then for Sue to win the second throw is that when she throws the first time, she doesn't get the 6. Then Tim throws, and Tim doesn't throw a 6. And then Sue throws the second time, and she does get the 6. So that's the sequence that has to happen. So not to get this, for Sue not to get a 6, it's 5, 6. And Tim not to get the 6 is 5, 6. And then Sue to get a 6 is 1, 6. So that'll be 5 times 5 times 1, so 5, 5, that's 25 over, and then 6 times 6 times 6 is 216. Part C, write down the first 3 terms of the infinite G series for probability Sue wins a game. Okay, so for Sue to win on a first throw is 1, 6. On a second throw is 25 over 216. So on a third throw, it'll have to be that Sue doesn't on her first, Tim doesn't on his first. Sue doesn't on her second, Tim doesn't on his second, and then Sue does on her third throw. So this will be not Sue is 5 over 6 times not Tim is 5 over 6, not Sue is 5 over 6, not Tim is 5 over 6, and then Sue does is 1 over 6. That's gonna, so that'll be 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 1 on top, 625. And on the bottom it'll be 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6, which is 7, 7, 7, 6. So the first 3 terms then is 1, 6, 25 over 216, 625 over 7, 7, 7, 6. There's the first 3 terms, and part D says hence find the probability Sue wins the game. So this could go on forever. Okay, so because we got an infinite GP series, and we know the sum to infinity for a GP is A over 1 minus R. So the first term is 1, 6, and the common ratio, okay, if we look to see what's happened each time, on the first term was 1, 6. Then for the second term, I was multiplying the 1, 6 by 5 over 6 times 5 over 6. And on the third one, it's 5 over 6 times 5 over 6 twice times 1, 6. So the common ratio, okay, is 5 over 6 times 5 over 6. So A is 1, 6, and the common ratio, so it's 5 over 6 times 5 over 6, which is 25 over 36. So probably Sue wins then. So there's an infinite series. A is 1, 6 divided by 1 minus 25 over 36. So 1 over 6 divided by 1 1 take away 55/36. That's 6/11. Okay, so I say the key to the question, if I see that word, then I know I'm going to be setting up a GP series.